If you've been looking for a way to grow your hair longer, thicker and healthier without having to spend a fortune, then you need to try this simple but powerful recipe. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. So today's recipe is packed with growth boosting nutrients that help strengthen your roots, hydrate your scalp, stop shedding and help your hair retain length. I'll be needing just two ingredients, which are onions and aloe vera. Onions are one of the richest natural sources of sulfur, and sulfur is a mineral that builds keratin, the main protein that makes up our hair. So this means onion juice strengthens your hair from the root and reduces thinning and breakage. It also boosts blood circulation in the scalp, bringing oxygen and nutrients directly to your hair follicles. And this does not only help current strands grow faster, but can also wake up dormant follicles to produce new hair. Onion juice is also antibacterial and antifungal, so it keeps your scalp clean and free from dandruff or infection that might block growth. So for this recipe, you'll just be needing one medium-sized onions. You're going to chop it into tiny sizes, then place it in a bowl and set it aside. So onions are also packed with antioxidants that helps protect your strands from damage and even help slow down premature graying. So onto our next ingredient, which is the aloe vera. If you don't have aloe vera plant, you can use aloe vera gel, maybe store-bought or anyone. Aloe vera is nature's moisturizer and it has healing enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, creating a healthy foundation for growth. Aloe vera helps to balance the scalp pH level, which prevents dryness, itchiness and irritation. It's also loaded with vitamin A, C and vitamin E, which encourages healthy cells turnover, and vitamin B12 and folic acid, which reduces shedding and hair fall. And one more special thing about aloe vera is its ability to lock in moisture. It coats the hair shaft, smooths the cuticle and keeps the strands soft and flexible. This prevents breakage and ensures that the length you're growing actually stays on your head. So while onion juice pushes your hair to grow, aloe vera makes sure your hair stays moisturized, strong and protected. So after extracting your aloe vera gel, you just add it together with the chopped onions. Then you're going to be adding a little water just to ease the blending. Then you're going to pour the mixture into your blender. If you're using aloe vera gel store-bought, you just go ahead and blend only your onions, then add your aloe vera gel. After blending my onions and the aloe vera, I'll just go ahead and strain this through a cheesecloth just to get rid of the pulp. So just in case you've not yet given this video a thumbs up, please do well to hit the like button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new on my channel, if today is the first time you're coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and join this family. And to my returning subscribers, if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming by. I really appreciate it. So after straining this, I'll just go right ahead and pour it into my applicator bottle. So about the strong smell of onions, if you don't like the smell of onions, I'll be telling you what you can do in order to get rid of that smell. So at this point, if you want, you can add in any form of essential oil into this spray. You can just add a few drops of lavender or peppermint or any other form of essential oils into this. It's totally optional. As you can see, I didn't add any of those. It's just a matter of choice. So I'll be showing you two ways you can use this on your hair in order to maximize all its benefits. Remember, this spray is meant for your scalp and your roots, not your hair, okay? So we are going to be focusing on the scalp, on the roots of our hair. And of course, we're going to be spraying this on a clean hair. You might want to section your hair so that this spray can go directly onto your scalp, or you can just go ahead and just spray this on all your scalp, making sure everywhere all your scalp is covered with this spray. Meanwhile, this is the first method you can use to apply this on your scalp. This is the spraying method. You can put it into a spray bottle and spray it directly to your scalp. As you spray, just go ahead and be massaging it a little bit just to make sure it doesn't just drop down, that it stays on your scalp. The weather here is so hot. So that was the first method you can use to apply this treatment, and here is the second method. You will be needing a cotton wool. This method is so simple, and for those that don't have a spray bottle as well, so you basically just dip your cotton wool into this mixture and you're going to press to release the excess. Then you will go ahead to damp this all over your scalp. So guys, please remember, this is not a leave-in spray. You're going to apply this and carry it for 30 to 45 minutes. Then you're going to be rinsing it out. In order to get rid of the onion smell, if you can't tolerate it, into the water you're going to use to rinse out your hair, add few drops of lemon or few drops of apple cider vinegar. A video before this, you guys check it out. So that spray is really working. That spray is working, so you guys should please check it out. That should be a video before this. That is the last video I posted before this that you're watching right now. You guys can try it. It's working. It's working. So if you're ready to see your hair transform, start using this remedy and stay consistent. Use at least once every week and you're going to see massive results within a short period. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video with a friend who is on their natural hair journey as well. Thanks for watching Everyday with Mandy. Until next time, bye.